Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the pressure for this fish swimming in between the depth of 5 and 25 meters. So we've got a height difference. We're going to assume it's fresh water. So you do your rho GH to figure out the pressure. The answer is 196,000 pascals. The code is in the pinned comment. Here is the Python code and some common mistakes. Okay, so you can just copy the Python code in the pinned comment. There's also an EES code that I can't show you, but it is in the pinned comment. I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used it before, you can follow the instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent. Okay, so click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in the snipping tool, open the program, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover your YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button on snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, and then hit the red square to stop recording, then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section, or if you find a mistake. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.